Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to go on a super secret adventure? Today we're gonna peek behind the curtain and see how our favorite video games get fixed when they do silly, wacky things. We are going to become bug busters. So let me ask you something. Have you ever been playing a game and something totally weird happens? Like maybe your character suddenly starts floating in the air, or you try to walk through a door and oops, you get stuck in the wall. It's kind of funny, right? Well, all those funny little mistakes have a special name. They're called bugs. And our big mission today is to learn all about them, how we find them, and how we fix them. So get ready, because it's time to become official bug busters. Okay, let's jump right in. First things first, what in the world is a video game bug? It sounds a little icky, but don't worry, it is not a real insect crawling around inside your game. It's actually really, really simple. So look here. On the left, this is what should happen. You press the jump button, your hero does a cool jump, and grabs a shiny gold coin. Yay! But if there's a bug in the game, you might press that exact same button and, oh no, your hero just falls right through the floor. That mistake, that's a bug. So, if these bugs can be hiding anywhere in a game, who's the one that finds them? Well, it's not by accident. Games have a team of secret heroes, and we're about to meet them. Let's meet the bug catchers. A bug catcher is a real job. How cool is that? These awesome people are basically detectives, but for video games. Their whole job is to play the game all day long, trying to break it in every way possible just to find all the hidden bugs before you do. Now, when a bug catcher spots a bug, they don't just shout, "Hey, I found one." Nope. They write something super important called a bug report. Think of it like a treasure map. It tells the game makers exactly what the bug is, where to find it, and how to see it again so they know exactly how to fix it. That makes me wonder, are all bugs the same? What do you think? Is a bug that makes a character's hat look a funny color as big a problem as a bug that makes the entire game just shut down? Which one do you think is a bigger deal? You got it. They're definitely not the same. We use two secret words to figure this out: severity and priority. Severity tells us how bad the bug is. A bug that crashes the whole game is like a pizza that's totally burnt. You can't play with it. That's super high severity. But a small spelling mistake? That's like one pepperoni being in the wrong spot. You can still enjoy the pizza. That's low severity. And then there's priority. That tells us how fast to fix it. If a bug stops everyone from playing, it needs to be fixed right now. Okay, so we know what bugs are, and we know how to decide which ones are the biggest deal. Are you ready to see what happens next? Come on, bug busters, let's follow one little bug on its incredible journey from being found to being fixed. Here we go. Step 1 is new. A bug catcher finds a brand new bug. Then, step 2, assigned. That bug report treasure map gets handed to a fixer. Then, step 3 is fixed. The fixer works their computer magic, zap, pow, and fixes the bug. But are we done? Nope. Step 4, retest. It goes back to a bug catcher to double check that it's really, truly gone. And if it is, we get to step 5, closed. Hooray! The bug has been squashed. Bye-bye, little bug. But wait a minute. What if the bug catcher tests it and... Uh-oh, the bug is still there. Sometimes a fix doesn't work on the first try. If that happens, the bug gets a status called reopened. That means it has to go all the way back to the fixer to be worked on again. What a tricky bug. And just like that, you did it. You followed a bug on its whole journey. You are now officially a bug buster. You know the secret recipe for making awesome games. So let's remember the 3 biggest ideas we learned today. First, and most important, bugs aren't scary. They're just little mistakes waiting for a detective like you to find them. Second, there's a smart plan for fixing bugs. Bug catchers use those secret words, severity and priority, to figure out which ones are the most important to fix first. And third, every single bug goes on that special 5-step journey to get fixed, and every bug we fix makes our games even better and more fun to play. You have all been absolutely amazing bug busters today. But before you go, I have one super duper cool fun fact for you. Are you ready for this? A long time ago, computers were huge. They took up a whole room. And one day, one of them stopped working. The scientists looked inside, and guess what they found? A real-life moth was stuck inside the machine. They actually took the moth out and taped it in their notebook and wrote, "First actual case of bug being found." And ever since that day, We call problems with computers bugs. Isn't that wild? All right, my amazing team of bug busters, I have one last question for you. If you could find any kind of bug in a video game, what would it be? Maybe one that makes all the characters talk in silly voices? Or one that makes it rain pizza from the sky? Think about it. Thanks for going on this adventure with me today. Keep being curious. Bye!